This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Super nice end unit townhouse in a great neighborhood close to downtown Sandy with its restaurants, parks, and shopping. Great room floor plan with a nice living room, kitchen with an island and dining room with a slider out to a nice patio and fully fenced yard. Master suite with vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet and a full bath. Laundry upstairs along with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. Single car attached garage too. Newly painted. This home is move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.